Welcome everybody. This is a course Logistics Management at Geotech, and we are starting with the lecture Location Analysis. Location decisions are very crucial for most businesses. Think of a medical doctor and how you choose to visit which medical doctor. Of course, you're looking for a person that is very qualified in the area that is of interest for you, but the location of his offices, of his clinic, is also very important for you. If you have to drive through Muscat for 2 hours to reach the doctor, you might choose or you might prefer another doctor who is closer to you. The same is of course true when you are the operator of a warehouse, a third-party logistics company that operates warehouses. Then you also look at the criteria at the distance to your prospective customers. But not only the distance to the customers is important, there are many other aspects as well. And in this lecture we are going to discuss these aspects. Moreover, you will learn about 4 simple methods that can help a manager make these location decisions. Though, let me switch. Now I've got the right slide set. So let's start with the location decisions. The learning objective for this lecture are you're able to discuss factors that have an impact on the location decisions. You are able to use the factor rating method to support some location decisions. And in the same way, you're able to apply the load distance model, the center of gravity approach, and the break-even analysis to make location decisions. Please keep in mind that these 4 methods just give you support in making the location decisions. They have specific advantages and disadvantages that you can use, though using these methods will not make the location decision for you as the manager, but they will be able to support you in making this location decision. Let's start with our first chapter, location analysis. Well, in this lecture we are talking about the locating facilities. And in the context of this lecture, facility location is determining the best geographic location for a company's facility. And this decision is very important because for most businesses, this is a very long-term decision to be made. And in many cases, it is connected with a considerable financial investment. So if the facility you want to make the decision for is having a new port for Oman, then deciding about the location for the new port has a very, very long interim impact on the whole country. Once the port is up and running, you cannot just easily move the port to another place and change its location. So you have to live with your decision for a long time. And therefore, it is very crucial to analyze and understand this decision as good as possible. So, what are examples of facilities when we are talking about facilities? What are we looking at, for example? Well, a facility could be a warehouse that we want to operate. It could also be some industrial factory like a refinery. This is a picture of the refinery that is currently built in Port Dokum. If you're the operator of a hypermarket, it will be the location of a new branch of your hypermarket. Another facility, think of the public sector, are police stations. Police stations provide services, for example, vehicle registration in Oman, or they host police officers that need to be able to cover the whole city. So if in case a crime is happening, the police officers are quickly at the location and can help. We discussed already about the port. So you see there are a lot of real-world examples that can be a facility. And when we're talking about facility locations, we mean these types of facilities of a company.